This video will talk about using the text corrector and the various PDF output formats. So now we'll launch the text corrector. And you will see this screen. Over on the left, the items highlighted in yellow are the things that it suspects problems. As you go through, you can see them on the left and make any changes that are needed on the right. I'm going to go ahead and change this to something else. Click OK, and then we'll process it to an output file. So these are the available PDF output formats. For items that you have changed in the text corrector, you must use the Adobe Acrobat PDF text. The reason being is the searchable image or image text will be an image on top of and hiding the converted text. Image, of course, is just an image of the output, and text image is rarely, if ever, used. So we'll select text and click OK and process to an output file. And the file opens in Adobe Reader with the change reflected, with all of this now being text that you can copy out and use elsewhere or make it searchable. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.